So hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wired and Madam Tech, and I am here with Mr. Eddie Opara, and he is the creative director at Pentagram. So we all know that recently the Realme logo has been changed and he's the one who has designed it. So Realme has collaborated with Pentagram, and that means Eddie Opera to design it. So let's just ask about the new logo from Eddie Opera.
Thank you.
So hello Eddie, first of all, and really glad to meet you and welcome to India as well. And yeah, so first of all, I would like to know your journey at Pentagram, and what all Indian brands have you worked earlier with?
I've been at Pentagram for 9 years now, and I'm one of the partners in charge there. There's 22 partners in overall. And we have worked on Indian products like Fruity and also T-Box and now Realme. So, we're really excited to have developed this particular logo and word mark and for this particular marketplace. It's very, very dynamic and appropriate for the young people in India to gravitate to.
Along with your great journey, I would like to know that why exactly Realme wanted to change the logo, and what was the inspiration behind this new logo?
Right.
Yeah.
So Realme had a word mark originally, not so much a logo, and not so much a symbol that sort of identified with who they were, with their core values. And so we developed this distinct and custom structure based on the principles of what Realme stands for. The idea of the embodiment of the person in the outer R, and then the inner R is really a sort of hidden arrow directional, the idea of progress towards the future for young people.
We know that Realme is a very youth-centric brand, and it has come up in just few months. Everybody knows Realme and is interested to buy Realme and experience Realme phones because it is based on the youth-specific things like affordability, and the camera is very nice. And he is saying that the inspiration behind that was also very youth-centric. I was personally was not aware that why there are two R's and how they make an arrow and all, but he is giving a very good explanation behind that what is the inspiration behind this logo. Also, I would like to know what exactly why you chose the color yellow for this one. Yeah.
Yellow, this is the real me yellow. It's a golden yellow. It symbolizes the aspects of being positive, sense of energy, optimism, wisdom, intelligence. It has a lot of items, values that are instilled within it. And the great thing about it is that it has a great balance between sort of Western culture and Eastern culture. So it has a very global idea, and thus it communicates very, very well.
So yellow color means fun, vibrant, and a lot of international plus Indian combination. And of course, I am personally liking the logo, Eddie, and hopefully India also likes it. Yeah.
I believe so.
Yeah. So it was really nice talking to you and knowing what was the inspiration behind the creation of this logo.
Thank you very much, and enjoy the new identity and all the accoutrements that come with it. Thank you.
Thank you.